Hello mga ka-Longski, welcome to my channel, Long Sky TV. And this is my lovely wife, Jessie.
Hi. Today we're taking a quick ride, 1 hour ride to Quincy, Massachusetts, to what used to be our local Filipino grocery store. There's now one that's closer to us, but we still like coming here from time to time.
Yes, and we're excited to get there. And it takes an hour ride, okay? And we're gonna show you some of the items, what to buy into all Filipino in New England states, wherever you live. This is a good opportunity for you to know that there is a Filipino store here in Massachusetts, close to Boston.
That's right, so tara na!
Tara na, let's go!
Take the volume down.
Hello everyone, nandito na kami ngayon sa Filipino store. Ito po yung mga tinda nila. Ayan, maraming ubi cheese, makapuno, Spanish bread, saymada nila. Magkano po? 6.9, 6.50 yan. Dami. Friday pala yung delivery nila ng mga new stock. Hello everyone, nandito na kami ngayon sa Filipino store. Ito po yung mga tinda nila. Ayan, maraming ubi cheese, makapuno, Spanish bread, saymada nila. Magkano po? 6.50 yan. Dami. Friday pala yung delivery nila ng mga new stock. Your food store. Technical liver spread. Dito na tayo ngayon sa maraming hello, kumusta kababayan? Ito yung crispy fry mix nila, original. Ano lang po, $109. Gusto ko po fiesta macaroni. Oh, Himalayan shrimp, face. Oh, look, yung biko nila, biko 39, itong maliit $3.29 lang. Dried banana blossom. Hello, Kuya. Kumusta? Ito, mabuti. Yes, Kuya. Tagabantay dito. Okay. Oh, yeah. You wanna get OB? Yan, masarap to. OB hopya. Ano yan?
Pandesal.
Oh, baliwag pandesal. Meron silang espasol. Sarap to. Pichi-pichi. Kutsunta. Meron din. Dito na lahat. Remember that? Ate Celine made that?
Yeah.
But that one has no cheese.
I know, I can see that.
Yeah.
I don't want to buy it.
And get a smaller one. Sticky rice. Crispy Joy, is that new?
Barrio Fiesta.
Let me see. Oh, I never seen this before. This must be new. New brand. Crispy Joy. Spicy. You want one? Dito tayo sa grocery section. What's that? Oh, milkfish, bangus. That is the one boneless. That's my favorite. And they have a coffee, Cotico, Boy. Huh?
You want some of this? I don't know how much it costs. Can you see? Is the price on that up there?
Whole, this is whole bangus. This is the 5.99 per pound. They have the longbong. The only thing that I don't like about it is that you need to clean it. The one. Yeah, that's the one that's boneless one.
What about that one?
Oh, that one also. But this one is 3 pieces only. This one is 4. Look at that design. It's up to.
That's unmarinated.
That's marinated. That's flavorful.
Do you want one?
Only one.
Just one? One or two?
How much each?
I don't know, but I was asking you.
Yeah.
$6.39 a pound?
Yeah, get 2. Oh, they have Copico Black now. Pansit nila bihon. Ang mga dilata nila. Figo is good. Dito po tayo ngayon sa mga chicharon. Meron silang lapid. chicharon na may laman or pork, fried pork rinds. Masarap po ito. Mga chicheria dito. Ayan. Yung mga frozen stuff nila. Ito yung saging nila na saba. Yung turon. Yan. Sarap po yan. What's that? Oh, there you go. You found it. Is that the spicy one? Oh, cheese. That's good.
I don't know if I should get 4 or 5 because I go out of them real fast.
So you don't have the bigger one?
No, they don't have the bigger one. That's what I have.
Yes. I probably need this big container. Can we get toyo?
Yes, we need it.
Then, if we get toyo, I would prefer Silver's one. My favorite. That's it. Over here. Yung Skyflex. Hello ate, kumusta? Say hi. Sino may babatiin ka sa Pilipinas?
Hello!
Saan po sa Pilipinas?
Sa Angeles City.
Oh, Angeles City. Sige, bumati ka.
Hi! Punta ka sa Angeles City. Hello sa inyo lahat dyan.
Hello mga taga Angeles City. Oh, salamat. Ano pangalan mo ate?
Yay!
Jane. Siya po si Jane, taga Angeles City. Saan ka dito sa Pilipinas?
Sa piso lang.
Dito lang ba area? Okay. Nice to meet you. Sa Luminster. Yeah.
Nag-vlog ka?
Oo. Maybe you can subscribe me at my channel also. Along Sky TV.
Along
Sky.
Sky. Okay, I'll take it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Ito yung ano nila. Taste. Sarap. Paborito ko. Gusto ko ito. Pure to spondy. Ang dami. Marami kang magpapilian dito. So punta na kayo dito mga Pilipino sa New England. Punta na kayo dito. Do you like it? Do you like the store? Oh, you got it. Extra big. Oh my god. Look at that. Look what she got.
Oh, nice.
Hey Johnny, I'm gonna show you. Here's the balut that you like. The balut. Hi everyone. Tapos na po kami. We're done doing our grocery shopping. How much? All the total?
$217.19.
Wow.
Guess it's expensive to shop Pinoy.
Quite expensive, but there's a lot of stuff there. And this is what you call Shore Pinoy Food Mart.
145 Water Street, Quincy, Massachusetts.
Yes,
Thanks.
Quincy, Massachusetts.
145 Water Street.
Thank
I'm
you
gonna go
mga...
in and get the car.
Okay, I'll wait here. Thank you very much mga kalongsi. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video today. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana po huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. At saka po don't forget to like and share na rin po. Long Sky TV po. Subscribe na. Have a nice day and please be safe everyone. Bye-bye.